Winter's here, so let's find out what's happening in Lake Tahoe, on the Nevada side of Lake Tahoe in November. Well, hey everybody, it's Tahoe Tony. I'm the managing broker for eXp Realty. My Nevada license number is 144620, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Living in Tahoe. Let's talk about some of the happenings in Lake Tahoe, because I normally talk about real estate, but let's talk about some of the fun things you get to do in Tahoe. So on November 8th, the Songwriter Showcase. So this is going to be some local songwriters showcasing their songs. And the exciting thing about this is going to be at the Valhalla Boathouse Theater. I don't know if you know the history of the Valhalla Boathouse Theater, but it's awesome. Look at some of these pictures. It's beautiful. So it was this boathouse that this very, very wealthy guy built in the 1800s, and then he went to sell part of his property, accidentally sold the boathouse, and it's a long history, great story. Check it out. It's a beautiful building. I have not seen an event there yet, but I really want to go see it because it looks like a great building. Obviously, it's right on the lake and it's gorgeous. So November 9th, Battle of the Somms Wine Dinner. So Somms stands for Sommier. I don't know. This sounds like an amazing event. So basically, take two sommeliers, and the sommeliers get this food and they create a wine pairing based on the food menu. And then you as a guest get to decide which sommelier did a better job of pairing the wine with the food available. So sounds like an awesome event. That's going to be on the November 9th. Then November 10th, the Lake Tahoe Draft Experience, an adult hockey draft tournament. So this is going to be at the South Lake Tahoe Ice Arena. It's going to take place over most of the weekend. And they say draft experience. They're talking a lot about draft beer, I believe, from reading the description. So check that out. It sounds like it could be a lot of fun. I have some friends who play in the ice leagues and they love it. They're basically addicted to it. They have so much fun. And they said it's really good. The people play well, but there's not a lot of cheap shots because, most of the people are older and they don't want to get hurt. So they just have a good time playing hockey, and it's a really good workout, they told me. I haven't ever played hockey, so I'll take their word for it. November 10th. We've got the Winter Stoke movie night at PT Revolution. So this is going to be showing some great action adventure ski films with some local athletes involved, which is kind of neat. And PT Revolution is a physical therapy office with kind of a modern feel about themselves. So check that out. It's another great event. And then November 17th, the ski season kickoff, ski film and opera. So as you can see here in Tahoe, we're very excited about the ski season. We've got ski films going on. We've got ice hockey leagues going on. It's great. I think my favorite might so far be the wine sommelier dinner. But a little bit more about the ski season kickoff and ski film and opera. That's at Gravity House. Gravity House. It's H-A-U-S, right? Not house, House. Anyway, that's a small little boutique hotel in Truckee. And they've got good food and such. And they're going to be showing these films. It's kind of like a get together, everybody get excited. We've got snow coming down right now as I'm making this video. I'm looking out my office window. I'm very excited about that. And then on November 24th, another great event. This is going to be at Heavenly Village. This is the Heavenly Village Christmas tree lighting. So they're going to be lighting a 70-foot tall Christmas tree. It should be pretty neat, beautiful. Hopefully it'll be cold and snowy by then. That would make it even more enchanting. And if you know of any other great events in November, put them in the comments below. Let me know what you like of these events. If you go to any of these events, let me know if they were great or not. And if they are, I'll keep promoting them. If you're like, Tony, this event was horrible, don't ever send anybody there, I'll make note of that and not do that because I'm here for you. So again, I'm Tahoe Tony. If you're looking to purchase real estate on the Nevada side of Lake Tahoe in 6 days, 6 weeks, or 6 months, give me a call and I guarantee this will be the best real estate experience you've ever had. Thank you.